All right, today we're going to talk about surface area for triangular prisms. Which means we are going to have a triangle on the ends, like this. These are hard to draw, but I'll try. With it. So we've got a three-dimensional triangular picture, kind of like this little pin holder right here. Y'all see the triangle on the ends? This is a triangular prism. We got a triangle, triangle. Then we've got rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. Are you with it? Got it. Now, this one is very important, which one you call the base. When we did this tissue box yesterday, you could have set it here. That could have been your base. You could have set it here. That could have been your base. You could have set it there. You could pick any base you wanted. Today, you cannot pick any base you want. The triangles have to be the base. Are you with it? Because there are two triangles. Are you with me? Hello? Go. So, guess what? Same formula as yesterday. Surface area equals 2 times big base plus big P times little h. Same stinking formula, but we need to make sure that we do the right area of the base and perimeter of the base. All right, so let's put some numbers on this bad boy. And I'm going to put a little dotted line here and a 90 degree in the middle. That 90 degree is very important. I'm going to break that triangle down over here. The 90 is what tells you the length or the base and the height of the triangle. Are you with me? All right, what is the area of a base of a triangle? How do we find the area of a triangle? No.
A equals 1/2 B times height.
Good. Base times height divided by 2. So to find the area of this triangle over here, we got to do base times height and divide that number by 2. Does anybody know why a triangle is base times height divided by 2? Brock. It's half of a rectangle. Yeah, good idea. So look, if I have a triangle, any triangle, if I put another triangle on the other side of it, what do we now have?
A square.
No, not necessarily.
Oh.
Down.
2 triangles.
No. What do we now have? A rectangle. Are you with it? 2 triangles make up a rectangle. Are you with it? So it should make sense why a triangle's area is basically, you could say length times width. Are you with it? But we need to use the word base because base means the bottom and the height means going straight up. Does that make sense? So base times height divided by 2 because there's really 2 triangles in a rectangle. Are you with it? Sweet. All right. So let's put some numbers over here. I'm going to go 10 on the bottom, 10 centimeters. I'm going to go 6 centimeters for this. I'm going to go 8 centimeters here. I'm going to go 14 centimeters here. And I'm going to go 9 centimeters here. All right, questions so far? Now, do you notice all the numbers? There's 5 different numbers on this triangular prism. That's where kids get confused. They use the wrong number in the wrong spot. This is where it gets a little confusing. But don't get confused. The first thing we need to do is find big B. So what is the base of my triangle over there? 10. What's the height of the triangle over there? 6. Okay, to find big B, we're only using 10 and 6. 10 and 6. We could care less about the 9. We don't care about the 8 or the 14 right now. Are you with me? The only thing I need is base of the triangle and the height of the triangle. And the 90 always tells you which number's the height. Are we clear? All right, what's 10 times 6?
60.
10 times 6 is 60. What's 60 divided by 2?
30.
Do y'all agree that big B is 30?
Coach,
What?
since we have to divide it by 2 and then we multiply it by 2, can we just keep it the same?
Yeah.
Add?
He's already figured that one out. Very nice. Okay, do y'all see what Porter's picking up? Are y'all picking up what he's putting down?
Yes, sir.
He said, hey coach, 10 times 6 is 60. Then I got to divide 60 by 2 to get 30. And then what do I immediately do again? 30 times 2 is
60.
right back where we started. Are y'all with me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you understand it, fine. If not, just do it. So we've got big B times 2 is 60. Sweet. Now we need to find big P. I'm going to highlight the triangle over here in blue. We are now going around the outside, around the outside, around the outside. How long is this side? How long is this side?
10.
How long is this side? Liar.
8.
Oh, 8.
If that's 8, that's 8. What's 9 plus 8? 17 plus 10.
27.
The perimeter of this triangle is what?
27.
27. So let's go over here and plug in 27 times what number has to be the height of my pyramid? I'll give you a hint. Don't use any of the numbers on the blue triangle. You can't use any numbers on the triangle, so there's only one number left has to be the height. Are y'all with it? No 8, no 9, no 6, no 10. The only number left that we haven't used has to be 14. All right, what's 27 times 14?
378.
You sure? I hope he's right. Now, what's 60 plus 278? You got a calculator, use it.
It's 378.
What? No, that's way too big.
That should
What?
be 378.
Yeah, 27.
438.
27 times 14 is
378.
So y'all let Tucker lie to me? Tucker, why you lying? 27 times 14, boy. Hit it.
I said 378.
You said 278.
We lied because we're funny.
We've got video proof.
Human error.
We can go back and look at the video. Tucker said 278. Okay. All right, what's 378 plus 60?
438.
438. And we would put centimeters squared. Questions? Do y'all see how kids can get confused on this one? Due to the fact that the triangle has a bunch of numbers in it, it can get a little confusing. Let's do one more. We'll do a different triangle. Let's try a right triangle. All right, and I'm gonna put the 90 here in this corner now. Let's go with 13, 14, 15, and 19. We'll go centimeters again. All right, let's find big B. And I'm gonna draw the triangle over here to kind of declutter your mind. Which one is the base?
14.
14. Which number is the height?
13.
Do y'all see the 90? Hello?
Yes.
The 90 always touches the base, and it always touches the height. So you need to do 13 times 14. What's 13 times 14?
182.
Divided by 2.
91.
What's 91 times 2?
182.
We're back to 182 again. Are y'all with it? All right, now let's go for the perimeter. We'll go pink again. Always highlight the triangle. What's 13 plus 14?
27.
Plus 15.
42.
You sure? I made him pick up the calculator.
Yeah.
It is 42. So big P is 42 times, what number is my height?
19.
It's the number we haven't used yet, 19. All right, what's 42 times 19?
798.
Y'all verify that.
Yes, it is.
They believe you now, 798.
Yes.
What's 798 plus 182?
980.
980
Check. 980. Yes.
centimeters squared. Okay, questions? All right, so just like yesterday, either pull out your own highlighter, marker, or matte color, because I want you to highlight the base on the homework. Highlighting the base is critical so your brain can see which one is the base.